Hello my brave little explorers, today I'm drawing Bluey with a funny dinosaur. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a dynamite story full of giggles and roars. But before we start, can you press the like button with your tiny dino claw, so Bluey and Bingo can roar with joy? The morning sun rises brightly, birds sing and the sky is blue. Bluey bounces out of bed with excitement, holding her toy dinosaur high. Good morning, Mr. Dino, she shouts. Bingo giggles from her bed. Can my unicorn play with your dino? Bluey nods, yes, but my dino might roar too loud. Can you make a soft dinosaur roar? Rare, Dad peeks into their room, wearing a silly smile. What's all this roaring about? He asks. Bluey proudly shows her dinosaur, meet my new best friend. Dad crosses his arms and says, that dino looks hungry. Bingo gasps, hungry for what? Dad grins, for hugs. Both sisters laugh and jump to give their dino a big squishy hug. In the living room, Mom sets up breakfast. Good morning, explorers, she says. Are you ready for a dino adventure? Bluey's eyes sparkle. Yes. Let's go to Dino Land. Bingo claps excitedly, and we can ride our dinosaurs. Dad grabs a blanket and wraps it around himself. Look. I'm a dino too. He starts stomping around. Can you stomp like a dinosaur too? Stomp. Stomp, Bluey climbs on Dad's back. Giddy up, big dino, she shouts. Bingo rides beside on Mom's leg, pretending it's a little dino. Mine is a baby triceratops, Bingo says proudly. And mine is the mighty Blueosaurus, says Bluey. They stomp across the room, roaring and laughing. Watch out for the lava, shouts Bingo. Dad hops onto the couch. Phew, safe on the mountain, he says dramatically. Grandma arrives just in time to see the chaos. Oh dear, she laughs, looks like a dinosaur party. She puts a bowl on her head and says, I'm the Dino Queen. Everyone cheers. Bluey bows playfully, Your Majesty, can we build Dino Kingdom? Grandma nods, of course, my royal little dinos. They stack cushions, pillows, and boxes. Bingo arranges soft toys around the fort. This is the Dino Village, she says proudly. Bluey places her dinosaur on top. This is the Guardian, she declares. He protects everyone from tickle monsters. Suddenly, Dad sneaks behind them and growls softly. Rare. I'm the tickle monstersaurus. Both sisters scream and giggle as Dad chases them around the fort. Mom smiles while watching. Looks like my little dinos are having fun. Grandma claps. Best kingdom ever. After all the laughter and running, everyone lies down on the rug. Bluey cuddles her dinosaur. Bingo rests her head on Dad's arm. I wish our dinosaur could stay forever, says Bluey. Dad smiles softly. He can, in your heart and your imagination. The room grows quiet, filled with warmth and love. Bluey strokes her toy's head gently. Good night, Mr. Dino, she whispers. Bingo yawns. Good night, Blueosaurus. Dad covers them with a blanket. Sleep well, my little explorers. So whenever you play with your favorite toy, remember that imagination is magic. Because even the funniest dinosaur can turn an ordinary day into a roaring adventure.